Welcome guys. So if you want to connect the JBL Charge Essential with your iPhone, at the first you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So go for the settings, select Bluetooth, tap on the switcher, and next you have to click once on the power button. Now just wait a little bit. And as you can see and as you can hear, this button is blinking and it means that we are in the pairing mode. So automatically the speaker appears right here on the list. But if you have a problem and your speaker is not in the pairing mode, you have to use this Bluetooth icon. You can click on it once or just click and hold for like 2 seconds and the pairing mode will be also turned on. And next you have to select your speaker from other devices list. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.